Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak Hoagie sauce, full guide. Start by gathering mayo, ketchup, Worcestershire, garlic, hot sauce, and pickled peppers, then chop peppers finely and measure equal parts mayo and ketchup. Mix ingredients thoroughly, taste for balance, and adjust heat with hot sauce. Let sauce rest in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to meld flavors before serving on a hot steak Hoagie. I'll walk you through the core ingredients and why each matters, so you can tweak this sauce confidently. Use good mayonnaise as the creamy base, ketchup for sweetness, and Worcestershire for umami depth. Add minced garlic and chopped pickled peppers for brightness, plus a dash of hot sauce for heat. Taste and adjust salt, acidity, and texture, and consider adding a splash of vinegar or olive oil if needed now. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Also, a quick recommendation: I've been reading a book that can change how you think about money, called The Simple Path to Wealth, and it's worth a look. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you find this useful, hit subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. Mix gently until smooth but not overly whipped, preserving small pepper pieces for texture and flavor. Serve the sauce chilled or at room temperature, spooning generously over thinly sliced steak, onions, and melted cheese for classic Hoagies. For storage, keep sauce in an airtight container in the fridge up to 5 days, and always give it a quick stir and taste before serving. You can also warm a little and drizzle for a different mouthfeel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.